For reading today, you are going to be reading the short story. It's only 2 pages. It's called A Place in the Sun. And you're going to answer the following questions. Make sure that you answer using complete sentences. Always, always, always. Right? And it asks us how we would describe Earth's shape. And you probably don't know that yet, but after you're reading, you should. How does Earth's shape affect the climates on different parts of the world? Climates is kind of like another word for weather. And why is it winter in Australia when it's summer in Alaska? Okay, you only need one complete sentence for each. If you need to write more to answer the question, that's fine. And then this is about your story, The Stranger. Are you fascinated by the stranger? Explain. So if it's no, you got to tell me why not. If it's yes, you got to tell me why. And then this word does say over here, but there's actually nothing on the back. So you're just doing that page for reading. And then for grammar, you're going to finish out with this page here. Now, you are going to have to rewrite each sentence. So let's look at this page. This is page 52 in your grammar packet. It says to underline each noun in this sentence. So remember that a noun is a person, place, thing, animal. So Tina is a person, so that's a noun. And horse is a person, or not a person, sorry, horses are not people. A horse is an animal, so that's a noun. So what could we replace Tina with? Tina is a girl's name, so we would replace it with she. So she brushed. Now, for the horse, I would personally use it. But you might instead use her, as in she brushed her. Because if you knew the horse was a girl, or if you knew the horse was a boy, you could say she brushed him. But I'm just going to call it an it because I don't know if it's a boy or girl. Did Carter see Helen? So we have Carter and Helen. And it would be, did he see her? All right, I'm going to leave you to finish these ones on your own. And then for 7, 8, 9, and 10, we're going to write each pronoun and its antecedent. Now, I'm going to say instead, if you want to, you can just underline the pronoun, circle the antecedent, and point from the pronoun to the antecedent instead of rewriting. Let me show you what I mean. So, she is a pronoun that you're going to underline, and they is a pronoun. And they is referring to Dana and Giles. Dana and Giles told Lisa that she had missed riding practice. They walked her home. So they is referring to Dana and Giles. And she is referring to Lisa. Let's do another one. Oh, and whoops, her is also a pronoun, and that's referring to Lisa as well. You're going to have a lot of arrows going everywhere, but I'll be able to read them as long as you do it neatly enough. After Phyllis saw the horse competition, she couldn't stop talking about it. She said it was very exciting. So who is she referring to? She is referring to Phyllis. So we would draw our arrows to Phyllis. And who is it talking about? It is talking about the horse competition. So we would draw our arrows from it to horse competition. I'll do one more with you. I'll just leave you to do the last one on your own. Blake let Jasmine borrow the camera for the state fair. She accidentally broke it. He was not angry because it was old. Okay, who is she referring to? Blake let Jasmine. Jasmine borrowed the camera, so she's the one who broke it. Who is it referring to, or what is it referring to? The camera. Who's he referring to? Blake. And what's it referring to? Again, camera. All right, I'm going to let you finish up 10 on your own. Just look for your pronouns. Again, that list of pronouns should be, if you wrote it last time, on this paper. So that should help you figure out what the pronouns are in this one. And I think that's it for you today. Let me know if you have any questions. You got this.